Vedic Mathematics Introduction. There are mainly two types of students, one who hate mathematics and another who love mathematics. The number of students who hate mathematics is much more than the number of students who like mathematics. All over the world, many methods have been developed to make the mathematics easy and interesting. Vedic mathematics is the most ancient system of mathematics described in Atharva Veda. Veda is a Sanskrit word which means knowledge. Vedic mathematics is the name given to the ancient system of Indian mathematics which was rediscovered from the Vedas between 1911 and 1918 by Sri Bharti Krishna Tirthaji. According to his research, all of mathematics is based on 16 sutras or word formulae. These formulae describe the way mind naturally works and are therefore a great help in directing the student to the appropriate method of solution. Perhaps the most striking feature of the Vedic system is its coherence. Instead of a hodgepodge of unrelated techniques, the whole system is beautifully interrelated and unified. The general multiplication method, for example, is easily reversed to allow one-line division, and the simple squaring method can be reversed to give one-line square root, and these are all easily understood. This unifying quality is very satisfying. It makes mathematics easy and enjoyable and encourages innovation. In the Vedic system, difficult problems or huge sums can often be solved immediately by the Vedic method. These striking and beautiful methods are just a part of a complete system of mathematics which is far more systematic than the modern system. Vedic mathematics manifests the coherent and unified structure of mathematics, and the methods are complementary, direct, and easy. The simplicity of Vedic mathematics means that calculations can be carried out mentally, though the methods can also be written down. There are many advantages in using a flexible mental system. Students can invent their own methods. They are not limited to the one correct method. This leads to more creative, interested, and intelligent students. Vedic mathematics widens the perspective of viewing at and knowing mathematics. His Holiness Jagadguru Shankaracharya Sri Bharti Krishna Tirtha Swamiji found mathematics in the appendix of Atharva Veda, and based on that he formulated 16 simple aphorisms or sutras. Swamiji later showed that these sutras can be applied to solve each and every problem of mathematics easily. Presently, we have calculators in mobile, laptop, etc., with the help of which we can get answers to almost all calculations in a matter of few seconds. But when we use calculator, we stop using our brain. And if such a thing continues for a long period of time, the brain loses its power of exercise. And when one solves a difficult or complicated problem without the use of calculator, the brain gets polished and he or she gets satisfaction which cannot be measured. This is the photograph of Sri Bharti Krishna Tirthaji. Sri Bharti Krishna Tirthaji was born in March 1884 in the Puri village of Orissa state. He was very good in subjects like mathematics, science, humanities, and was excellent in Sanskrit language. His interests were also in spiritualism and meditation. In fact, when he was practicing meditation in the forest near Sringeri, he rediscovered the Vedic Sutras. He claims that these sutras techniques we learned from Vedas, especially Atharva Veda, which are not scripted or present as single entity form, but were present as scattered and not in exact math terms, and he intuitively He discovered them when he was practicing meditation for 8 years. Later, he wrote the sutras on the manuscripts but were lost. Finally, in the year 1957, he wrote introductory volume of 16 sutras, which is called as Vedic Mathematics, and planned to write other sutras later. But soon he developed cataract in both of his eyes and passed away in the year 1960. If he had written another set of sutras or his original manuscripts were not lost, math would have been different today. Swamiji said, these 16 sutras apply and cover each and every part of each and every chapter of each and every branch of mathematics, including arithmetic, algebra, geometry, trigonometry, conics, astronomy, calculus, etc. In fact, there is no part of mathematics, pure or applied, which is beyond their jurisdiction. The list of sutras and sub-sutras only is given below. We will be using the sutras according to the topic being learned. 16 sutras. Ekadikena purvena, by one more than the one before. Nikhilam navata charamam dashataha, all from 9 and the last from 10. Urdhvati liyak bam, by vertically and crosswise. Paravartya yojayet, transpose and apply. Shunyam samya samuchaye, the summation is equal to 0. Anuruppe shunyam anyat, if one is in proportion, the other one is 0. Sankalan Vyavakarnabhyam, by addition and subtraction. Purna Purnabhyam, by completion or non-completion. Charana Karnabhyam, by sequential motion or differential calculus. Yaudunam, the deficiency. Vyashti Samashti, whole as one and one as whole, specific and general. Sheshanankena Charamena, remainder by the last digit. Sopantya Dvayamantyam, ultimate and twice the penultimate. Ekaninyena Purvena, by one less than the previous. Gunita Samuchayaha, the whole product is the same, the product of the sums. Gunaka Samuchayaha, that is collectivity of multiples. Subsutras or Upasutras, Anurupena, proportionately. Shishyate Shesha Sanya, the remainder remains constant. Adyam Adyena Antyam Antena, the first by the first and the last by the last. Kevalahi Saptakam Gunyat, for 7 the multiplicand is 143. Vestanam, by osculation, have common characters with another or with each other. Yaudunam Taudunam, lessened by the deficiency. Yaudunam Taudunikritya Vargam cha Yojayet, whatever the deficiency, lessen by that amount and set up the square of the deficiency. Antayo Dalshakepi, last totaling 10. Antayorev, only the last terms. Samuchaya Gunitaha, the sum of the products. Ropana Stapana Bhyam, by alternative elimination and retention. Vilokanam, by mere observation. Gunita Samuchaya Gunitaha, the product of the sum is the sum of the products. Dhvajanka, on the flag.